Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to enable virtualization in Windows 11. First thing first, press Windows plus L or click the Start menu and select Settings. Click on Apps from the left-hand menu, then choose Optional Features on the right side. Now under Related Settings, click More Windows Features and check the following boxes, which are Hyper-V, Virtual Machine Platform, and Windows Hypervisor Platform. Now all you have to do is click OK, then select Restart Now to apply the changes. You can now create virtual machines using Hyper-V Manager, and other solutions like WSL, WSA or third-party virtualization software can now be installed and used. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.